Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram call not showing on home screen problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to Instagram apps. Next, tap on this icon. Scroll down little bit, tap on storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on your clear cache. After that, tap on your Instagram clear data. Tap on delete. Now go back. Tap on your permission. Tap on allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store application. Search here Instagram. You can see here your Instagram apps is already updated and latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap on your phone power icon. Now restart your phone. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Now go to your Instagram apps. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.